How to download PrimeOS. So if you want to download PrimeOS, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to just simply go with your search and search for PrimeOS. Once you've searched, you will get the PrimeOS right here, which is an Android emulator. You need to click on it, wait for a few seconds, make sure that you're on your official website of PrimeOS. Once it loads, you need to just simply scroll down. And then here, as you can see, that you will have all of your PrimeOS features like key features, custom key mapping, and many more features right here. And then you need to scroll down again. And then you will have PrimeOS minimum requirements. If your PC or your computer doesn't have this minimum requirements, then you won't be able to download it. So make sure that you meet the requirements, and then you need to scroll down. And here, if your PC is 32-bit or Android 7 Classic, you can go with this download button. Or if it is 64-bit, then you can go with download here on the right side. So in my case, I'm selecting the second one. Click on download, which will be on the right side. Wait for a few seconds. You can go with downloads, which will be in the top right, or just simply scroll down right here, and you will have the get download links option. And once you click on it, it will start preparing the download link. Just wait for a few seconds. Click on download. And you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply go with the right side, which has that download option right here on the top right, and click on the download. And it will start the downloading process. As you can see that here, you will have the PrimeOS download. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and within a few minutes or a few hours, your file will be downloaded. You need to just simply click on that file 2 times, and then it will start the installation process. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.